Welcome to Mr. Nat's Maths. Okay, today we're going to have a look at place value chart and what happens when we multiply something by 10. If we make it 10 times more. Okay, so let's just draw out a quick place value chart. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger than usual. Okay, so we can label it up. Okay, so if this is the ones column and this is the tens column and this is the hundreds column. Okay, let's say we put 2 in this column here. If we multiply that by 10, we know that 2 times 10 is 20. So we end up with 2 tens and no ones. Okay? There's no ones because there was no digit in this column here before we started. Okay, and in grade 5 we know that this is the tenths column and this is the decimal point line. So these are tenths. Okay, and then further over would be hundredths, like this. Okay? So you can see now that whatever happens to these, when we multiply by 10, whatever happens to one digit will happen to all the digits. Okay, so as an example, if I have a number like 4.7, okay, when I multiply that by 10, 4 ones times by 10 is now 4 tens. And 7 tenths multiplied by 10 would be 7. Okay, so I get 47. So we can see that everything moves over one column to the left when we multiply by 10 times more. Let me just do another example of a more complicated number. Something like, I don't know, let's have 25.13. Goodness knows what that would be, some centimeters or something like that. Let's say there's 10 times more. So we're going to have 251.3. There you go. Okay, what about when it's 10 times less? Let me get rid of this for a moment. Let's put the word less in here. Okay. 10 times less. Well, if we had 20, let's start with 20, and we divide it by 10. 20 divided by 10, hopefully we know, is 2. Okay, so our answer is moving one column to the right. It becomes smaller by moving one column to the right. And this happens for any number. Let's have some other numbers. I don't know. Let's have 34.5. And let's see what happens to that. So 30 divided by 10 would be 3. And 4 divided by 10 would become 4 tenths. 4 over 10, 4 tenths, right? And everything moves along one column over. 5 tenths would become 5 hundredths. So 10 times less than 34.5 is 3.45. Everything moves over one column to the right in this case when we divide by 10. Okay, hope that helps you out with your maths today. That's it for now. Bye-bye. Cheers.